start with the questions raised by Obi, and then we can now move straight. Obi asks, first one, do you have structures? That's the question they normally ask the P2B. So he's starting with that one. He said, do you have structures?
That question may be valid for P2B because it's running on labor. That question is not valid for SDP. SDP is a strong party with structures. That's not an issue. It's not for nothing that Peter Obi tried to come to SDP first before he went to Labour. So the fact that they're asking the question of him in Labour doesn't mean it applies to us. Well, our party has been in existence since 1989, December 1. It's won national election in Nigeria, produced Abike Abiola, produced majority in the Senate, produced majority House of Reps, and then highly experienced people. State chairman in my party who have been in the party since 14 years now. So his party is well structured everywhere. So I don't think that that thing applies to us. You can see the way Labour is doing its activities. They behave like NGOs. You see them roaming the street and doing things like that. So that's a sign that they are fresh, and many of the people you find who are following them, charging up and down, they are also like that. So that question doesn't apply to us. Our structure is, you will see that when Labour was to choose his presidential candidate, they just went to one hotel in Asaba and spent like 2 hours, and they were able to do it. In SDP, you can't do that. It took us 3 months. We had to do uh, world congresses nationwide first, then choose the world delegates, then do local government congresses in 774 local government. We did 8,800 words congresses. Then 774 local government. Then we do state congresses. Then we go to national convention, and we have 1,708 delegates, twice the delegates that PDP and APC had. We are campaigning according to the condition that we find the people, and we are holding meetings. And I can't go to Zaria, for example, to campaign. We'll go to Zaria soon. A month before, all the important people in Zaria politics, I will be talking to them. You can't just march past their house with a bunch of kids that you gave 2,000 naira and t-shirt, and you march past their house. You can imagine if I come to your village and I don't say, Victor, I'm coming, support us, this is what we stand for. You're just out of your window seeing some youth marching back and forth in front of your house, and then they march away. And none of them from a polling unit. They can't, you look at them, you don't see any familiar voter here. And they march in front of us like Roman column, marching in front of their victims. So you look at them, you let them march past. So you look at them, they go and post on Twitter and congratulate themselves, and even use digital enhancement to expand the crowd and all of that. But if 1 million men are marching on a street, and each row has 50 people, they will march. If there are 50 people like this and they are taking steps, if they are marching in front of your house, if the first row gets to your house at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the last row will pass at 8 p.m. Unless they are all Usain Bolt sprinting across. But if they are walking like human beings, the 1 million people need 8 hours to march across.
All right, let's move on the program. He
Yes.
raised the issue of
Um, you are no, you're a politician from the new generation and generations, and I like that. And you can agree with me that politics is a game of numbers. And right now, everybody knows where the numbers is, where the numbers are. P2B have the numbers. And but you, like Obi asked before, how are you going to win if you don't have the numbers? And let me tell you, one of the reasons that made P2P to have the numbers is because
Sorry, let me just cut in at this point. You will continue. I am on the field. You are not a presidential candidate in this race at this time. So, let me tell you something about numbers. Every day in our political party, first, let me tell you one thing. It will take Labour Party to continue to do what they are doing now for 2 years before they can reach membership of SDP. And I'm not saying this in order to disparage them or insult them. No, this is a fact. But I think that don't be in a hurry. Chances are that by December, you'll be supporting me. So
okay.
listen
All right,
to
Paul,
everybody.
Please,
Paul, we
quickly,
just have to move on to another
quickly,
person.
sir.
Let's
Quickly,
take Paul.
sorry, quickly, sir. Quickly, sir.
Go ahead,
Mr.
Paul.
Sir, I don't have anything against you. I mean, I wish you well. Listen, you people are the ones that we need so that we can retire the old folks. I don't have nothing against you, but there's something you said before. You said Peter B supporter can match, like it doesn't mean anything. I don't like that because it's from your statement. It looks like you want a new Nigeria, and if you want a new Nigeria, you have to work with the people. You have to work with the people. But I wish you well, sir. I wish you well, sir.
Thank
But
you,
you know,
Paul. Thank you,
I have
Paul.
my
I
candidate.
appreciate that.
I have my
I
candidate, but
appreciate
I
that.
Paul.
Thank you, Paul. I
Paul,
wish you
thank
well
you.
too, and I also wish your candidate well. I wish him safety. I wish him security. I wish him good things of life. I do not mean, and I also made a comment that I was not disparaging the people marching up and down, the 2 million man march and 1,000 billion march. I'm just saying that from many years of experience, a political party like Social Democratic Party knows that those marching up and down, like Boys Brigade, does not result in anything. But if the people like to march to show solidarity, it's not an offense. Just
All
that
right,
it's not efficient.
let's move on. Obi, let's have from you. I think he has responded to